Hey, all you guys and gals, you Hot Wheel lovers. Welcome back to 164 Scale Racing. Today we're shooting this little video outside because, as you know, that Hurricane Helene went up through the East Coast and we were right in the path. And we ain't had no power in, what, 4 or 5 days now? I know it's been a while. But anyway, shooting this little video outside. Got the fairly new 5-packs that come out this year I'm going to show you. Got the first one here. It's the HW Motor Show. Right there. See what we got here. Hey. And we got the 17 Acura NSX. White with some gold wheels on it. Next we got the Corvette C8R. C8R. Nice looking Corvette. Next we got the Aston Martin Vantage GTE. Next we got the McLaren Senna, ever how you pronounce it. Pretty black. Next we got the 20 Jaguar F-Type. Jaguar. Well, that's the HW Motor Show. Pretty good, nice cars in there. Hope you enjoyed the little video. I got some more newer 5-packs coming, and there's some more videos if you want to check them out. Appreciate you watching. Please subscribe. Please hit that like button. And we'll see you guys later. Thanks. Bye.